Welcome back to the Prepare to Prosper channel, and if it's your first time, we are so excited to have you. My name is Nathan, and today we're going to talk about meme coins and some considerations you'll need to take into account before you invest in this highly volatile market. Now, it's important to remember there are two entirely different approaches when it comes to buying meme coins. You can choose to buy meme coins that are established, have some history, and are slightly less risky, or you can buy meme coins that are brand new to the market and come with an insane amount of volatility. The strategies and practices I'll be discussing today address ways to buy meme coins that have been around and have a little history. So before we get started, please take a second to hit the like button and be sure to subscribe to our channel so you can stay up to date on all things crypto. So we're going to do a quick recap and briefly touch on the history of meme coins. Coinbase defines meme coins as a cryptocurrency often inspired by internet memes, characters, or trends. Meme coins have been around for over a decade, and Doge is the longest lasting and most popular meme coin on the market. It's crazy to think that something that started as a joke to mock cryptocurrencies actually turned into a top 10 performing crypto asset with a market cap of near $57.6 billion at the time of this recording. For a long time, meme coins were viewed as an asset that were a waste of time and really had no value at all. Now, don't get me wrong, they are still extremely volatile, but they have skyrocketed in both value and their popularity. Today, meme coins have a total market cap of over $130.7 billion, and about 40 to 50,000 new meme coins are created every day, according to Estonian blockchain consultancy. And in 2024 alone, it's estimated that around 13 million meme coins were created. Over the course of 2024, meme coins continued to gain an insane amount of popularity. Meme coins dominated the early crypto narrative for 2024, and according to CoinGecko, nearly 31% of crypto-related searches and discussions were centered around these assets. All of the hype centered around meme coins no doubt comes from the numerous stories of people investing into a meme coin and becoming millionaires in just a few short days or few weeks. Another investor purchased the token Numogram, it's GNON for the ticker symbol, and he turned a $3,000 investment into $9 million in just 3 days. In early 2024, someone invested into the meme coin Dog with Hat, and if you're not familiar with this token, it's literally a dog with a knitted cap, and they were able to turn $1,800 into $11 million. So the opportunities are there, and that's why people are so attracted to meme coins. There are so many other examples of investors making a large sum of money when purchasing meme coins, but there are even more stories of people who lost the majority of their investment when they decided to purchase a meme coin. December 11th article in PC Gamer explains how a 13-year-old streamer made $30,000 after creating a crypto meme coin on pump.fun. The token was called Quant, and if you're not familiar with pump.fun, it's a website where anyone can really create their own meme coin, and all you have to do is just come up with a name, come up with a picture, and you're really ready to go. So after the teenager created his meme coin, he deposited initial investment of $350 for 51 million tokens. At the time, Pump.fun had a streaming feature on their website, and 8 minutes after the launch, during his live stream, the kid performed a rug pull scheme, and I'm going to edit this, but you could see the kid screaming, "Thanks for the 20 bandos," all while flipping the bird to all of his viewers and eventually making off with $30,000.
No way. Oh, holy.
You full clip.
Holy, thanks for the 20 bandos.
Then we have the story of America's sweetheart, Haley Welch, otherwise known as the Hawktua girl, and the demise of her meme coin. First off, if you're making investment decisions based off someone who was popular because they were giving their own personal sex advice to a TikTok influencer, then you kind of deserve to lose your money. Sorry, I'm not being harsh, but do your own research before you put your money out there. So Haley Welch, riding the tailcoat of her 15 minutes of fame, she decided to create her own meme coin with the help of some other people. The launch of her meme coin quickly turned into a disaster when her hot coin crashed from $500 million to $60 million in just 20 minutes. Citing blockchain data from Bubble Maps and Dex Screener, Cointelegraph reported that about 80 to 90% of the Hawktua supply was controlled by insiders or snipers, which are entities that purchase large amount of a coin supply at its launch. These insiders or snipers were the few people who actually profited from the meme coin, and luckily the SEC is getting involved with this scheme, and hopefully they can retrieve some of the funds. But as of now, it's unclear whether they're actually going to be able to do anything about this pump and dump scheme or not. According to Binance, the largest crypto exchange by market cap, meme coins are 50 more times volatile than Bitcoin, not to mention the increased exposure to scams that come along with the meme coin market. Roughly 40% of meme coin projects are aimed at pumping and dumping. The other 30% are just scams that just rug pull from their investors, leaving them broke. Chainplay, a gaming blockchain website, recently conducted a report on meme coins. The report, titled State of Meme Coin 2024, 2024 estimates the average lifespan of a meme coin is just 1 year, which is just a third of the lifespan of an average crypto project. Nearly 60% of meme coin investors view these assets as a short-term investment, and 97% of meme coins have already ceased to exist, with over 2,000 meme coins disappearing each month. The report also states that 1 in 6 new investors, those in the market for less than 6 months, state that meme coins are a must-have part of their portfolio. Now let's talk about how you should approach investing into this market. First off, you will hear KOLs, or key opinion leaders, YouTubers, and many other crypto experts say don't invest anything into the market that you can't afford to lose. And this is even more true when investing into meme coins. So I look at meme coins kind of like penny stocks. I know my chances of hitting it big are slim, but I'm willing to take the risk in hopes of one of them doing 100x. But the thing is, I'm only going to use a small amount of capital when I decide to purchase meme coins, and I'm only going to make it a small fraction of my overall portfolio. The dumbest thing you could do is over leverage your portfolio with meme coins. You have to remember that snipers and insiders constantly monitor the meme coin market, and they are aware of meme coins before most people even heard of a project. By the time you enter the market, they have already prepared to sell their holdings, and the value of your coins are going to tank. Now you're forced to play a guessing game. Are you going to hold on to the coins, or are you going to sell it for a loss? Moral of the story, don't invest any money that you can't afford to lose. So moving on, before you spend a dime on meme coins, you must do your own research. Use websites like CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko to gain knowledge and do some research of the tokenomics of the coin, study the price history, get direct links to the websites and social media sites, and much more. And if you watch one of my other videos, I show you how to use CoinGecko to actually vet some of the projects. And as you do your research, be wary of meme coins with a low number of holders, and stay away from coins with a low volume and a low market cap. And remember, newly launched meme coins are notorious for skyrocketing in value at the initial launch and then taking shortly thereafter. Like I mentioned a few moments ago, these resources provide direct links to the website for meme coins where you can dig a little deeper into the project. You will want to look for coins that have undergone an audit by a third party, and if they have been audited, you should be able to find that report on the coin's website. So this doesn't mean if they've been audited they have little risk, but the fact that they have been audited always makes me feel a little bit better when I invest in any coin. Meme coins are very trendy and fast-paced. They're largely influenced by celebrities, influencers, and their communities on social media platforms. If they don't have a following on social media, it could spell trouble for the coin. This means that you must check the meme coin's activity on social media sites. Things I look for when researching meme coins include the amount of followers they have on each social media platform, whether or not they have a blue or gold check mark on their X account, and I'll see how frequent the project posts on social media and the interaction between its followers. Because if the project isn't making new tweets or posts, and there is little to no community engagement, then it could mean the project is actually losing its following and could result in a decrease in the coin's value. I would encourage you to stay away from meme coins endorsed by celebrities and influencers just like the hot coin. These types of meme coins have made a lot of people go broke, and they are often designed to rip off investors. Jake Paul, DJ Khaled, Floyd Mayweather, Iggy Azalea, Caitlyn Jenner, and Lil Pump all had their own meme coins, and they all turned out to be crap and left many people claiming they were victims of a rug pull scheme. My advice, stay away from celebrity meme coins because your chances of being successful with these coins is very slim. So another source I'm going to use whenever I'm looking up a meme coin to help me mitigate my risk is a website called app.bubblemaps.io. This site actually allows you to see the top holders for a particular meme coin. They also provide the wallet address of the holder and the percentage of the coin they own. Ownership of the coin is illustrated with bubbles, and the larger the bubble, the greater the share of the ownership. So I'm going to show you a quick preview of Bubble Maps just so you can get a better insight of how to navigate and interpret the data they provide. All right, we're going to take a quick look at the app.bubblemaps.io website. We're going to use WIF, Dog with Hat, and the Hawk Tua token as an example, just so you can see the major differences between these two projects. One is set up for a rug pull, one is set up to have a large community ownership. So at the top in the search bar, I already have WIF pulled up, but I'll just show you. Type in WIF, the ticker symbol, click on WIF, and it will pull up the bubble map chart for you. Over to the right, you'll see the list of the wallets. As you can see, Binance, Bybit, Gate.io, Kraken, these are all exchanges, so it's not really too concerning to have a large percentage of ownership by the exchanges. What you're looking for are large wallets like this one, which we don't know what that's associated with, but you see, if I click on it, it's actually associated with Binance. So really nothing to worry about with the large ownership between the centralized exchanges and some of these smaller wallets like this one, number 15, only has 0.7% of the ownership. and it's just a little representation of all of the other bubbles that are on this chart. If I click on Kraken over here, it'll highlight where it's at on the chart, and then you can see that all of these other little bubbles are associated with this wallet. Same thing with the Binance wallet, and same thing with this wallet here, which is Bybit. All of those are associated with the same wallet or same company. Now, let's take a look at the Haktua token, and you'll see the major difference between the two projects. Select the Haktua, and you'll see why people got rug pulled with this project. The number one wallet here owns 28.93% of the total shares. Number two is 10%. Then you finally have Meteora, which is an exchange, and then you have Radium, which is an exchange. But everybody else, the 7% and the 5% and this 4% are all individual wallets. So within the top 10, there's about 80% ownership, meaning there's only 20% to go around for everybody else, all these other little bubbles. If I click on the first wallet, I see this massive bubble right here. That's a personal wallet. So this person probably dumped on everyone, and along with this person and this person, they keep dumping on everybody. That's how you get a rug pull scheme or a pump and dump scheme. Whenever you see a large ownership, especially within the top 10, and they can just dump it on you and leave you broke. So those are the two major differences between a legitimate meme coin and one that is probably going to be a rug pull or a pump and dump scheme like this one, like the Haktua token. So play around with this website. It's very helpful, very beneficial, and I guarantee if people would have actually been on this website before they decided to buy the Haktua token, they would have saved themselves a lot of money and a lot of heartache. So make sure you learn how to use this website if you're going to buy a meme coin. It shows the ownership. It's very easy, very simple to use, and you see all of the bubbles are laid out, very easy to understand. And you're looking at a project, you're not sure about if it's going to be a rug pull or not, come to this website, check the bubbles out, and go from there. Let's get back to the video and finish this out. The next thing I'm going to look for is whether or not a centralized exchange is listed a meme coin. So the rising popularity of meme coins has encouraged centralized exchanges to list them on their platform. They want the fees that are generated from the trades. So there are multiple advantages of buying a meme coin from a centralized exchange compared to a decentralized exchange. First of all, it's much easier to buy these coins on a centralized exchange. Just download the app, fill out the application, deposit money, and then you're ready to start buying. Decentralized exchanges offer a larger amount of meme coins, but they also require a digital wallet such as MetaMask or Phantom, and it can be tricky to fund these wallets. And you'll need to own a hardware wallet like Ledger to add an extra layer of security. I will cover how to create your own digital wallet and set up a hardware wallet in another video, so please look for that in the next coming weeks. Although centralized exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, and Crypto.com don't offer a large selection of meme coins, the coins they do offer are generally less risky. They tend to only offer coins that have a track record, have been in the market for an extended period of time. The meme coin they will offer will also have a higher market cap and a higher amount of volume. So more than likely, you won't see a high amount of return on a meme coin listed on a centralized exchange, but you can still find something that will give you a healthy 2 to 5x return. Before we go, I'm going to leave you with a few other words of wisdom. Just like with any other investment, do not try to time the market. Dollar cost averaging is your best strategy. I promise if you buy at the top, you will get dumped on, and you will round trip if you hang on to your investment for too long and don't take any profits along the way. You must have a game plan and stick to it. Investing in crypto comes with a lot of volatility, and investing in meme coins amplifies your risk. Don't be surprised if you invest in a meme coin and the value quickly plummets 50 to 70%. Huge price swings like this happen pretty regularly, and you need to be able to handle it. Don't become emotionally attached to any meme coin. Whether it's tanked and you're waiting for the price to increase, or if it has done a 10x and you don't want to sell because you think the value will continue to increase. You must be prepared to sell and move on to the next thing. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to hit the like button below. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and set up alerts so you can stay informed with all the latest crypto news and information. See you next time.